Well, welcome to our putting studio here at the Eleanor Golf Shop. For those of you who haven't been here already, it's located right next to the long game fitting studio. And I think it's really got a lot of potential to improve people's game. Putting by nature, it is harder to see the differences between someone's good and bad putters. If you were to slice the ball, it'll go 50 metres offline and pretty clear what's going wrong. But putting is a little bit more difficult than that because it's unusual that you'd ever hit your putt 50 metres offline. So what we have here in technology is this called the SAM Putt Lab. And using the SAM Putt Lab, we get our students to do 10 putts in a row. And based upon those 10 putts, the SAM Putt Lab comes up with a report showing us exactly what happened to the putter head throughout each of those putts. And so we have a look here. This is one that I've done recently for someone. And the first bit of information that it gives us is where the person was aiming in the putt. And in this particular case, the SAM Putt Lab tells us that he was 3 degrees closed at impact, which is crucial. If you're not even aiming at the hole, you're off to a pretty bad start. So the second thing that we see here is the path at which this person putts his stroke. And in this case, he putts 3.6 degrees to the right, which kind of makes sense. He was aiming left in an attempt to hit the ball straight. He then tries to hit the ball to the right to counterbalance that. This is just an above view, also of that in-to-out stroke as well. So here it says the path, but really importantly, it shows us the spot on the face where he's hitting the ball. And in this case, he barely got it on the putter face. Nearly every single putt that he hit it way out here on the toe. And so this is the sort of thing, it's very hard to pick up to the naked eye without this sort of technology. A few other things that it shows us. It shows you how much loft we have on the putter at impact. What we should have is 3 degrees of loft. In this case, it was negative 1.2. So we know this golfer was de-lofting the shaft of his putter 4.2 degrees through the stroke. And the problem with that is it makes the ball jump off the putter face and doesn't roll smoothly. So this is some crucial information we just wouldn't be able to see normally. And then we have a few other points of interest in the putter: the face rotation, the dynamics of the stroke, and it can go into further things if we want to. But I think those first few ones are crucial: the path of the stroke, where you're aiming, how much loft you had on the putter, and where in fact the ball was hitting on the toe. And just giving a normal lesson up on the putting green just wouldn't be able to give us that information. So if you want to have an in-depth look at your putting stroke and wonder why you've been missing all those short putts, this is the place to come, and we'd love to see you.